period that the amount of people who used to live here is around 2,000 estimation. It's around 2,000 people. For the first time that 2,000 people are living in the same place. The first public building is not only the tower, but also the three sides fortification, which actually goes on the west side, east side, and southern side, leaving the spring which was here. And we know springs moves in a way. They don't exactly stay in the same. I mean the same. Yeah, but they moved. But they believe that the spring was on this side. The wall was interpreted as, during this period, interpreted as a natural defense system to the erosion from this period. But erosion is very slow to be a good interpretation.
Not for enemies.
Well, the tower for observation.